This is unboxing for Caliper tool that I bought for doing brake job on a Camry. So let's unbox it. So it comes up, I ordered this from Amazon, and it comes up in this type of box, which is kind of tight to it, but it came up okay. So the box was fine. So it's called OMT. There's so many of them when you go on Amazon to choose from. This one has 22 disc brakes caliper tool that may fit lots of different vehicles. So let's check it out. We can throw the box out. All right, so we need to open this. Okay, so we do this couple of things that it has. So as you can see, there's already tools that is coming off of it. So these things are not necessarily tight in there, so they come off during shipping, and it's even tough to put them back on. There's a little bit of a thing in here to keep it kind of from going in. So I'm just going to leave them like that. So what this is basically this one contains two of them. So this is what's inside the box. There's nothing on the back. So what we could do with this is to try to squeeze the piston of the brake. When the brake is wear out, so it's worn out, you need to press the piston back in when you put brand new brakes. So this tool will let you do that. They're supposed to be magnetic as well. So you put this up a little bit, and you put one of these plates in, and they have basically one plate that you put in, and it's curved here for the brake caliper, because caliper is curved. So you put it in like this, all the way down, and the brake caliper would basically be holding this, and then you can squeeze this like this to push the caliper in like that. And there's a bunch of different tools that comes with it. There is these little tools, so you have to see how big your caliper is. But regardless of having these little tools that they give, I usually use the old brake to push against it, so that the piston is protected, because you don't want to dent the piston. So this is what you use. So this is magnetic, so it won't fall off, even though there's not something that is holding it mechanically. Magnetically is holding it. So you have that. Then there are these other plates, like something like this. That won't really fit in here. So this might be able to get it for this one. So based on the caliper as well as the piston, you can use any one of these that fits the best. So that's that. They have bigger one like this that you could use. So there's all sorts of different sizes that you can choose from. So use one that fits. Again, I don't even bother with these too much. I just use the old brake to press against this. So I even put one of these little ones in, and then use the brake itself to push against the piston, because that's how basically how the brake is set up. The brake is pushing, or the piston is pushing against the brake. So I use that. So that's it. This is the unboxing for the caliper tool, and all sorts of different number of tools that comes with it. This one is the 22. So that's it. Subscribe for more.